Welcome back to Everyday Idioms. Or if you're new here, welcome to the series where we explore common English idioms. These are phrases that make your daily conversations sound more natural. Today, we're looking at two very useful idioms, rule of thumb and by the book. Let's dive in. First up is rule of thumb. A rule of thumb is a general guideline or a practical principle that is not exact but is easy to remember and apply. It's based on experience rather than precise calculation. For example, you might say, as a rule of thumb, you should drink 8 glasses of water a day. This means it's a general recommendation, not a strict medical instruction for everyone. Now let's see how Clara and Daniel use this idiom in a natural conversation.
I am not sure how much paint we need for this room, Daniel.
Well, a good rule of thumb is that 1 gallon of paint covers about 350 square feet.
Oh, that's helpful. So we can estimate based on that.
Exactly. It's not precise, but it usually works out.
Next, we have the idiom by the book. To do something by the book means to do it strictly according to the rules, regulations, or established procedures. It implies following instructions precisely without deviation. For instance, our accountant always does everything by the book, so we never have tax problems. This means the accountant follows all financial regulations strictly. Let's listen to Clara and Daniel again to see this idiom in action.
Okay, macarons. This recipe looks complicated. Maybe we can skip some of these steps.
For macarons, we really need to do this by the book. These cookies are famous for being tricky.
Oh, so we have to follow every single step in this recipe, exactly as it's written?
Precisely. If we want them to turn out perfect, we need to be super careful and stick to the instructions. No shortcuts this time.
So there you have it, rule of thumb and by the book. A rule of thumb is a general guideline, while doing something by the book means following rules strictly. We hope you found these explanations helpful. Can you think of other ways to use these idioms? Share your own examples in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Tidbits for more everyday idioms. See you in the next video.